monkey. Chaps, you might want to come and have a look at this. Because what it says is, each of you must drive your car into a wall at 30 miles an hour.
Hey?
Yeah. You lose 10 points if you're killed, 5 points for each broken bone, and 1 point for each blood injury.
Right. That
I'm
sounds...
feeling quite relaxed, actually.
With your Volvo?
With my Volvo.
By contrast with my Rover made entirely of rust, I'm feeling a bit scared. James, are you all right?
Have a crash?
Yeah.
On purpose?
Yeah. It's going to be worse for him, though, because he is in that rust car, and doubly worse because it also says here that since you're the youngest, you're going first.
Right.
Goodbye.
I admire your logic.
Bye.
Thank you. $20, $25, $30 miles an hour. I'm going in. Oh my goodness. Well, my bones all still work, I think. And there's no blood. I think my car has borne the brunt of it. I think it did quite well. Next!
Well, it's been good. I met Jodie Kidd. And Stephen Fry.
Yes, he's dead, so that's 10 points away there. And if you want a job on Top Gear, please write to Top Gear.
No, wait, look, he's coming round.
He is!
He's alive!
He lives!
That's no 10 points off, though. Blast.
That was probably the most unpleasant thing I've ever done.
Then it was my turn, and I had a problem. The speedo wasn't working, so I had to guess how fast 30 was. And I got it a bit wrong.
Damn, I think I missed the wall.
We all lived then. But what about the cars? Richard's Rover is dead. James's Audi is dead. But my Volvo? Yes!